Okay, boys and girls, so happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, April 21st, and I'm going to give you a rundown of what you have to do today. So for reading, the skill is compare and contrast. So you're going to be listening to Little Red Riding Hood. I know you guys are familiar with that story. So you're going to need an electronic device with sound. There will be a Google Doc that you will turn in. Optional would be paper, pencil, Venn diagram. That's optional. So just remember, when we're working with our stories, we have characters, we have settings, we have problems, we have solutions, right? We've talked about that a lot. For writing, the skill today is going to be brainstorming. So you're going to need an electronic device with sound, paper, pencil, and crayons. So there will be a short video for you to watch, and then you will be brainstorming. So some things to think about. What are some big events that have happened in your life? What are some special moments you would like to share with others? That's what you're going to be thinking about today, and brainstorming ideas, which we've done a lot in the past. Foundations, the skill is are controlled vowels and trick words. So you'll need drill sounds, which will be in your document, the Google Doc, and the trick words are world, answer, and different. So remember how we would practice our trick words. You can still do this. You can do the skywriting. Point with 2 fingers, right? How we do the skywriting in the air. Keep your arm out. There's a video of me doing this too. I know we did a little lesson on this one day. You'll spell the word in the air, then you'll close your eyes, dip it in your paint, visualize the word in your mind, and you'll skywrite it again, right? And then if you have a little whiteboard, little chalkboard, you can do it, you can write it on there. If not, you can just use a hard surface. So you can practice that when you're doing the foundations today, which skywriting, that's one of my favorite things to do. For math, you're going to be using diagrams for number stories as your skill. So you'll need an electronic device with sound. The workbook pages, you could print them out, or you can just write it on lined paper if you want. Remember, the answer keys are there for mom or dad to check for you to see how you're doing. The home link and the Google Doc quiz. So this is just part 2 of what you did yesterday. So today you might just be doing like the math box, or you might just be doing like the quiz part of it. Okay, so just something to remember, there's many different diagrams that you can use to solve number stories. You must figure out which diagram makes the most sense for the problem you're solving. So we've done the start change, part total, quantity difference, some examples. And social studies, I believe same thing. We kind of keep the same skill for the week, maps and continents, where I live. You'll need an electronic device with sound, Google Doc, and the bonus paper, pencil, crayons. So I believe it's just the same thing that if you worked on it yesterday, it's the same activity for social studies that you'll have for the week. As you listen to me on the map a second time, fill in the Google Doc with your own information and follow the directions. Okay, and as always, remember there's additional resources for you to use with each subject.